Hello DSH Hacks participants. My name is Eshan and today I'll be going over a new STEMized course titled Introduction to Quantitative Finance. I'll be going a little over the career of quantitative finance and towards the end cover what the course is about and what specific topics you will learn. So to begin, what is quantitative finance? Quantitative finance is an interdisciplinary career applying advanced mathematics, statistics, and computer programming to solve complex financial problems. In this career, traders work with large data sets, develop algorithms, conduct research, all to gain an edge on the market. Now, there are four main quantitative finance roles. We have quantitative researchers, which is very math heavy, who invent and refine models to generate trading signals. Second, we have quantitative developers, which are more CS and programming focused, specialized SWE who implement algorithms that create the trading systems. Third, we have quantitative traders, more general workers with both math and CS knowledge, but a little more expertise on the financial side who can execute the strategies on the front line. And lastly, we have the quantitative risk manager, another math heavy role which helps prevent firms from losing large amounts of money by implementing guardrails. Now, why is this career so well sought after? Well, there are a couple of reasons. One, it has an incredibly high earning potential. Quants are compensated heavily, earning $250,000 to $400,000 in their first year and having immense future earning power. Additionally, it has a great work-life balance. Unlike other finance careers, a quant is known to have around 40 to 60 hours per week and is less taxing. And lastly, it is incredibly enjoyable. Many quantitative finance workers have reported that they enjoy solving puzzles or solving the problems that they are met with every single day in the market. What kind of degrees get you there? Contrary to the name, quantitative finance does not really require a finance degree, but rather things that are more math, research, and programming based. Things like statistics, applied mathematics, computer science, physics, operations research, data science, financial engineering, econometrics, and even artificial intelligence. So these degrees, which are very heavy in mathematical modeling, systems thinking, and research, are going to help you land a quantitative role. And if you plan on pursuing any of these subjects, whether in high school or in college, this course might be for you. So now I'm going to go a little more about what the course covers. The course is 10 weeks long, structured into 1 hour sessions each week with short 10 to 15-minute assignments after, which are very easy. To begin, we will cover a little more about what quantitative finance is and how financial markets work. And then throughout the first few sessions, we're going to cover basic financial concepts like measuring and visualizing price behavior and quantifying risk and reward. Towards the middle, we're going to talk about building strategies, finding signals, and building our portfolio. And then we're going to finish off with some more mathematical focused risk testing and hypothesis testing on our strategies, and then finishing off with incorporating AI into our projects, and finally taking all of our work and making a final research report. Every session is going to be formatted in the structure of learning some financial concepts, diving deeper in the math behind them, and then programming using Python, pandas, numpy, and other languages to visualize or turn that math into algorithms. At the end of the project, all participants will have, at the end of the courses, all participants will partake in a final project, which they will have a time of 3 weeks. So here you will independently design, code, test, and optimize a quantitative trading strategy of your own creation. And also, like we said in the last sessions, you will be learning how to incorporate AI into your research, which is a really important skill in the future. And like we stated earlier, after each session, you will have small, simple assignments that'll help you build the skills to complete your final project, even if you're coming into this course with little to no technical understanding. And by the end, you will have a working code, a GitHub repository, and a 2 to 3 page research report. We will also provide awards for whoever has the best research rigor and whoever has the most creative strategy thesis. And looking over some skills that you will learn, this course is designed not so much to specialize you into one specific quantitative finance role, but rather to give you a more general idea of all the aspects of quantitative finance, additionally with some math, finance, research, and technical skills, so you could apply them in your future endeavors. Going over technical, we will go over some more advanced Python, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, Git and GitHub, API data retrieval, and backtesting. On the mathematics side, it'll be very statistics heavy, focusing on descriptive statistics, risk metrics, covariance, time series analysis, and hypothesis testing. Now, the financial markets will be pretty light, focusing more just on the basics of market movement, investment principles, and risk versus return. And then, very importantly, we will be learning some essential research skills. These are very crucial practices that you can learn, refine, and will be good selling points for landing future research positions. So, things like how do you structure a formal research process, building and defending a methodology, and using AI ethically in your research. So, that is a quick recap of what our quantitative finance course will be about. And I hope you all found this interesting, and I hope that all of you will join. Thank you very much for listening.